Oh, there you go. Just look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make a really easy pasta dish, something a little bit that I make all the time. But you know, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it before. We're going to make a pan roasted tomato basil pasta with shrimp and feta cheese. So it's really easy, actually. It's really tasty. It's a butter sauce base for our pasta and our shrimp. So we're making like a garlicky butter base, adding some tomatoes and all the rest of it. It's very, very easy, very tasty, very simple. Let's show you how to do it. Right, we got a pan on. In with some salt. So what we're going to do is salt up that water, get it to boiling, shove our pasta in. Our spaghetti actually on this occasion. We're going to shove our spaghetti in, and our spaghetti is going to cook between 8 and 11 minutes. So we've got such a time difference between 8 and 11 minutes because every spaghetti is different, you know. In with our spaghetti. Now it's a really easy recipe this, you know, bit of spaghetti, bit of tomato flavouring with basil and some shrimp and garlic. Perfect. So all we're going to do is just twist our pasta in there, get our spaghetti in that water, bring that water back up to boiling, cook it for about 8 minutes. Right, I'm just going to transfer my pan to the back while I use a wok on the front. So that goes to the back. Got my wok on the front. And what we need to be doing is going in the wok with some butter. Now we want a good amount of butter for this. We want about 3 tablespoons of butter. Just swirl our butter around in there. We need that butter to start melting. Give our pasta a little twirl round. And then what we're going to do, we're just going to go in that pan with our garlic. Okay? Now we start to cook the garlic in there. Now we are cooking for aroma, you know. We're not cooking for this to go brown in any way. And we're going to go in there with a pinch of black pepper. A good pinch, and a good pinch of salt. Give it a little stir around. Now butter and pasta goes really, really well. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go in there with our tomatoes. And start to cook those tomatoes in that butter with that garlic, salt and pepper. Oh, the smell coming out of here is amazing. In here, I've got 1 tablespoon of tomato puree and 3 tablespoons of water. So just give that a mix up. Now that is going to be the base of our sauce in here. Now you don't have to use it, but you know, it makes a nice tomato buttery sauce. So in there with our tomato puree and water. Fantastic. And when we've got those tomatoes breaking down in there, we want to be going in with our fresh shrimp. So get our fresh shrimp in. And we need to give that a little bit of a cooking in there. Now shrimp don't take very long to cook, but just keep an eye on them. As soon as they go that nice old pink, white, pinky colour, they'll be okay. That's it, shrimp are done, pasta is done. All we need to do is transfer that pasta straight into that shrimp. Now there's no hassle, no nothing, just take it straight from there to there. You can turn off the flame under the shrimp and tomatoes. That's done. All we gotta do is give this a mix up. So I'll mix it all in, and that's it. Job done. Oh, smells fantastic. And then what we need to do, we need to tear up our basil leaves and put our basil leaves in there. Nice and easy, just tear them up and straight in there. And then we'll give that a mix through too. And that is our pasta, shrimp, tomato, basil made. It don't get much easier than that. All we need to do now is serve that up. And then all we've got to do is just put some feta cheese on. Oh, there you go. Just look at that. Oh, look at that. Now that is absolutely incredible. Let's get in there and have some pasta. Whoo, hot, hot. Nice and steady. Oh. Oh, a bit of shrimp. Oh man. That's got that fantastic butter garlic flavour through there with that basil. You know, the tomato's not overpowering. It's in the back of there, but not strong. Feta cheese complements it. You know, it's unbelievably bursting with flavour. It's very fresh, actually. Amazing. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff, and we'll catch you in the next video.